Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome to the mini story. In this story, I will tell you one kind of story and also I will ask you some question. You have to repeat question and answer with me. Here I go. It was Friday. I went to masjid for praying Juma Salah. It was very hot day. When I arrived in the masjid, I saw the masjid is full with the people. There is no space inside the mosque. However, I prayed outside of the mosque. Now I will ask you some question and also I will say some answer and also you have to repeat with me. If you do that, you can ask easily any question and answer easily when you will try to say with your friends. It was Friday. Was it Friday or was it Sunday? No, it wasn't Sunday. It was Friday. I went to masjid for Juma Salah. Did I go to masjid for praying Juma Salah or to play? No, of course not. I didn't go to masjid for playing. I went to masjid for praying Juma Salah. Where did I go? I went to masjid. Yes, of course I went to masjid. Why I went to masjid? I went to masjid to pray Juma Salah. Was it very hot day? Yes, of course, it was very hot day. Was it very cold day? No, it wasn't very cold day. It was very hot day. How was the day when I went to masjid? It was very hot day. When I went to masjid, it was very hot day. When I arrived in the masjid, I saw the masjid is full with the people. When I arrived in the mosque, how was that? Was it empty or was it full? Of course, when I arrived in the mosque, it was full. It wasn't empty, it was full. There is no space inside the mosque. Was there huge space? No, of course not. There is no space there. It was full. However, I prayed outside of the mosque. Where did I pray? I prayed outside of the mosque. Did I pray inside of the mosque? No, I didn't pray inside of the mosque. I prayed outside of the mosque. Why did I pray outside of the mosque? Because there is no space inside of the mosque. That's why I prayed outside of the mosque. My dear brothers and sisters, you have to listen this story several times every day, at least 5 times or more. And also you can listen 1 week, just 8 stories. If you do that, all the sentences, all the words will memorize, will capture in your brain, and automatically, effortlessly, you will be able to speak English. You can ask easily. Thank you so much. I will see you very soon with another mini story. Bye bye.